Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Volkswagen Atlas SE with technology R line. This one's 44569. Really great spec on this one with, what color is it? Tourmaline blue metallic over Shetland. Yeah, Shetland leatherette. So the beige. This one, of course, has the V6 upgrade. Does it say? Yep, 3.6 liter V6. Hopping inside because it's cold. Nice R badging. Without further ado, let's take it for a drive. Auto start stop engages at a stoplight. You can either disable it via the button right here, or you can just lift your foot off the brake pedal for it to start. Create a little gap and we'll try the acceleration. Not bad at all. Braking is nice and progressive. It's not overall through the whole pedal, it's not sensitive at all. It doesn't build up in sensitivity. It's very simple and progressive. And I forgot how much torque this thing makes off the line. I do like the R-Line specific steering wheel. It's very reminiscent of Audi's R8 or R models, or S models I should say. You sit quite high up. That helps with visibility and all that fun stuff. And overall, I mean, the V6 is the powertrain to get for the Atlas. If you can get a screaming deal on a 2.0, it's still an excellent vehicle, but the 3.6 is where it's at. The sound suits the vehicle. The torque curve is much more fitting. It's just a better overall package. This rides on Pirelli Scorpion Neros. Great tire. Have them very similar tire on my car. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one.